In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the pesky download failed issue on Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to download a document, an image, or any other file, it's incredibly frustrating when you keep encountering an error message. Fear not. We're going to tackle this step by step, ensuring you can resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Let's begin with some standard fixes. First, in your Chrome browser, you'll want to press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete all at once. This is going to open up a window where we can take charge of our browsing history and cached files. In the window that appears, you'll see an option for choosing a time range. Here, make sure you set this to all time. This will ensure that we clear out any lingering data that could be causing problems across the board. Once you've got that set, take a look at the boxes below. You need to make sure that the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. By choosing these options, Chrome will clear out the saved data and cached files, which could potentially free up any barriers in downloading files. After you've confirmed that these boxes are checked, go ahead and click on Clear Data. This process might take a few moments, especially if it's been a while since you've last cleared your cache, but once it's completed, it often does wonders for resolving download issues. Now, if you're still experiencing problems after these steps, we have a more comprehensive solution. This final step involves resetting some of Chrome's settings. You'll need to click on Chrome's top right corner where you'll see those three little dots. Once you've clicked there, a menu will drop down. Look for Settings and select it. After heading into the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side. Scan for an option that says Reset and Clean Up. Once found, click on it. Now, we want to restore Chrome's settings to their original defaults. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. By clicking Restore Settings to their original defaults, Chrome will revert back to how it was when first installed, purely concerning settings and configuration. Your saved bookmarks and passwords will remain intact. By following these steps diligently, your download issues should be a thing of the past. This method is highly effective in resolving most errors related to file downloads in Chrome, ensuring that the next time you click Download, everything runs smoothly. Thanks for hanging out today, and make sure to check back in for more tech tips. Happy browsing!